everyone, quick question. Can you answer for this question? So most of the students will pick for 2 power 6. No, this is not the answer because a power m into a power n means a power m into a power n not equal to a power m plus a power n. Right? See, means if you have a multiplication here, that time we can use the rule a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. Means if the base is same, we can add the powers. But we don't have a rule for addition. Here we have a simple addition, right? So this is not our answer. Then what's the answer for this solution? If you observe 2 cube is 2 times, right? So can I write 2 into 2 power cube? Like 1 mango plus 1 mango, you get 2 mango, like that. Imagine this is 1 mango, this is 1 mango, you get 2 mango. 1 mango plus 1 mango, 2 mango, like 2 power 2 cube, right? Now the base will become same. If the base is same, can I add the powers according to this rule? So 2 of 1 plus 3, 2 power 4, right? So our answer is 2 power 4. Let's level up the question. If you have the variable along with the numbers, then how we can find the variable value? Means find the value of x in this equation. See, observe here, most of the students what they will do, here we have a positive sign so that we can add the powers. No, here if I have a multiplication, that time we can add, right? And you should know this before go solving this problem. A power m divided by a power n as a power m minus n. And we can written in the form like this also, a power m by a power n. So both are same, right? So here we need to apply this rule, right? See. Here we have 3 power x minus 1. So can I write 3 power x minus n as 3 power x, 3 power 1? According to this rule, right? And this like a power m plus n, right? So this can be written as 3 power x into 3 power 1. As I said in the first rule, right? Then which is equal to 90 now? Okay. Then after that, if you observe, this is one term, this is another term. Both the term 3 power x is common. Right? So can I take 3 power x common? Yes, take 3 power x common. If I take 3 power x common, what you will left here? So 3 power x get cancelled. So remaining 1 by 3 power 1 plus. Already I took 3 power x common. So remaining is 3 power 1. So write the answer. Right? Remaining 9. Right? As it is. After that 3 power x. Let's simplify this. We know this, right? 3 3s are 9. So 1 plus 9 by 3. Write the denominator as it is. 9. So 3 power x, 1 plus 9 is 10 by 3, which is equal to 9. After that, if you observe a 90, it may be multiple of 3 like that is there. So we will send this down to this side, right? Then it will become 3 power x. Then 90. This whole term I am sending this side. Then 10 by 3 will become 3 by 10. Numerator and denominator will exchange, right? So 3 by 10. Then if you observe 10 and 90, both are comes at the same table, or you can just cancel 0, 0, so you'll end up with only 9, right? Then 3 power x and 9 can be written as 3 square because this side we have 3, so if you take both the sides are in the same base, so we can equate the powers. So this I will written as 3 square into and 3 power 1, right? Again, base is same, we can add the powers, right? 3 power x, which is equal to 3 cube. Then base is same. Can we equate the powers? Yes, we can equate. So x is equal to 3. This is the answer for this question. Easy, right? So like this way, we can solve different variety of problems using the exponents rules. But while applying the rules, we should be very careful. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more maths like this. See you in the next video. Till that, keep calculating and keep